Hello all, welcome back to my channel Power BI 24 into 7. In this channel, you will get all the Power BI related video. In this video today, we will learn how to calculate year to date, month to date and week to date. Let's start. We already created our date table and built relationship between this date table with global superstore data set. Now we will create our table using this table visual. In this table, we will bring all the date from this date table and we will bring corresponding cell amount from this global superstore data set. Look, in this table, we don't have all the date values from the date field. Why? Because when Power BI is calculating corresponding cell amount, if it is blank for a date value, that will not show up in this table. To get all the date values irrespective of the cell amount in this table, we need to turn on this option Show Items with No Data. Let's turn on this option and then see now we are getting all the date values with corresponding cell amount. It can be blank for some date value or it can be non-blank for some date value. Now, if you want to replace this blank value with 0, in that case, we need to create a measure. Let's create the measure. Go to Global Superstore, click on this three-dot option, click on New Measure, give it a name. Here I am giving total sales. Here I am using some expression to get some value of all the cells. Now, the logic is if this expression returns a blank value, then that blank value will be replaced by 0. Otherwise, if the same expression returns non-blank value, in that case, it will not replace that. How to do that? Here I will use if statement or if function and then we will use is blank function. This function will check the expression and then it will check whether this expression returns blank or not. If it returns blank, then it will be replaced by 0. Otherwise, it will not be replaced by 0. The measure is created now. Now I will change the format because it's a cell amount. Therefore, I will add currency dollar and then I will bring this new measure to this table. Look, now all the blank value has been replaced by 0. Let's start creating measure for week to date calculation. Before that, we need to add one more column to date table, which is week number. Let's go back to this table view and add that column to this date table. How to do that? We already have this DAX query for date table. Here we will add one more line, which is for week number. First, we need to give it a name. Here I am giving the name week number. And then I will use the function weekNum. and I will consider date field from date table. Let's see what will happen. Look, this returns all the week number for a particular date. Let's bring this week number to this table. See, for some range of date, the week number is 1. For other set of dates, the week number is 2. Now the question is, what is week to date amount? It is nothing but a cumulative amount that starts with very first day of a week. For example, here 1st January 2012, and it will keep on adding the sale amount till the last date of that week, that is till 7 January. Let's create a measure to calculate this week to date amount. Go to Global Superstore, click on three dot option, click on new measure, give it a name. Here I am giving WTD amount or WTD sell amount, because here we are calculating cumulative amount of sell. Here I will use first calculate function, and then since we are calculating cumulative sell amount, therefore I will use the expression total sales, which will calculate sum of sell amount. Then, as a filter argument, we will mention two conditions. The first condition should be date value from date table. It should be less than equal to max of date value of the date table. I will explain this logic later one by one. The second filter argument should be week number of date table. It should be equal to max of week number of the date table. Let's see what it will return. Before that, I will format this cell amount. How to do that? Go to formatting option, click on dollar value to assign dollar sign to this cell amount, and then I will take only up to 2 decimal places. So I am doing the formatting from here, and then I will bring this cell amount measure to this table. Let's do some formatting for this table. I'm just doing the alignment change. Now see, for first week, if I see the first row, this is the first day of first week where the total sale amount is 0, therefore it is returning 0. If I check second day of first week, there also we don't have any sell amount, therefore 0 plus 0, it should be 0. Therefore this WTD sell amount measure returns 0 amount. Since we don't have any sell amount in this week number, therefore we are not getting any sell amount. Therefore, let's consider second week. First day of second week is 8 January and the sale amount is $4,652.10. Therefore, WTD sale amount returns the exactly same value. What is the sale amount of second day of second week? It is 0. If I add the first sale amount with sale amount of second day, it should be 4652.10, which is we can see here. Now, let's consider third day of second week. Here we have some sale amount, and if I add sale amount of first day, sale amount of second day, and the sale amount of third day, the sum should be 7527.20, and the WTD measure is returning exactly the same value, which is nothing but cumulative sum of first 3 days sale of this particular week. Let's see the fourth day. Here also we don't have any sale amount. That's why it is returning the same figure. Fifth day, here also it is returning the same figure as we don't have any sale amount. Again, last day of this second week. Here also we don't have any sale amount. Therefore, the cumulative sale amount for this second week is 7527.20. The moment we approach the first day of third week, again the sale amount becomes 0. I hope now it is clear how we have calculated cumulative sale amount for a particular week. Let's see how this logic works. First, it will calculate the maximum value of each row. So, if I consider only the first row, this is 1st January. So, if I apply maximum function on this particular date, obviously that will return the same date. Let's see. Here, I will create a new measure, that is maximum date. And now I am applying max function. Let's see what it will return. Before that, I am just changing the format of the return value. Let's take this measure into this table. See, for each and every row, if I apply max function, that will return the exact same value. Let's go back to this logic again. What it is telling, the first line, check the maximum value of each row and consider all the date which is less than or equal to this max value. Let's check this condition for each and every row. Let's first consider the first row. The maximum date for this row is 1st January. If I go to second row, the maximum date is 2nd January. Therefore, this logic is telling consider all the sale amount for all the date which is less than equal to this 2nd January. That's why it will take the sale amount of 1st January and the sale amount of 2nd January. Then this logic will sum these two cells. In the same way, if I consider third row, maximum value of this third row date value is 3rd January. If I consider all the date value which is less than equal to this 3rd January, that should be the date range from 1st January to 3rd January. Therefore, based on this logic, Power BI will consider all the sale amount from 1st January to 3rd January, and then it will sum up all the sale amount of these 3 days. Now I believe it is clear why we have considered this first logic. Let's consider the second argument. Here also we have applied max function on week number. See, this week number remains same from 1st January till 7th January. Therefore, if I apply max function on the first 7th row, the max value should be same, which is month. It will change only after 8 row, because here the week number change from 1 to 2. Therefore, if I apply max function on 8 row, it will become 2. Hence, this logic is saying calculate cumulative amount only for a particular week number window. If the week number changes, then again start from a fresh. I believe now it is clear how to calculate week to date sale amount. Can you write in the comment section how to calculate year to date, month to date and quarter to date in a same manner? If you like my video, then please share and comment, and then please hit the subscribe button so that you will get a notification whenever I will post a new video. Thank you for watching my video.